Marco. He'll be right along.
Nice view out here.
Okay, well, I'm going to take your fall line to the road, okay? Let's talk more about skiing.
Yes.
Do it up. And I know some of the guides, we're all a little bit different. Some of the guides like to BS a lot so that cat can stay ahead. I don't mind waiting for the cat. What do you guys like? Do you like waiting for the cat?
Either way.
We don't mind waiting.
I know Kenny's MO, so you know
Okay.
he does that trick all the time.
You know, for me, the cat's down there and we're ready to get in.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. So I'm going to take the fall line and I'll meet you at the first road. So let's be safe, have fun. Let's go.
Go for it, Beth. Yeah, I'm gonna take this drainage over here.
Sure. I'm gonna
All right.
try to yell a little.
Oh, look at this. Here she comes.
Whoa!
Hey! Hey!